So cry is a sign that you are indeed alive, and you feel the despair, you feel the uncomfortableness of the situation. And Jesus, fully man but fully God, cried as a human being to his Father in despair. It hinted at Jesus' humanity. This is his most vulnerable moment, because up until this moment, him and God have been aligned. But sin was on his shoulders in this moment. And he was experiencing the full weight of sin. He was experiencing the full weight of judgment, which caused him to feel forsaken. And even though he was still loved by God, God's wrath against humanity because of sin was poured out on Jesus himself. And